Well, I was just going to send you some pictures, Jeff, but I decided to do a video on it instead. This is the box that I found in my dad's cupboard when we were cleaning them out. Like I said, I'm not sure what it was going to be, but this may have some useful bits on it for our 3D printer. It does indeed travel forwards and backwards. This actually has, down here on the drive motor, little wheel with slots in it, and down underneath it's got, I would say, just a sensor using a light beam shooting through the slots of this wheel here. We have one of the motors here. I can't tell you what that one is because I can't see the sticker on the back. There's a limit switch here, and also another one on the back for the back and forward travel. There's another stepper motor here, or it's actually a asynchronous stepper motor, which of course drives the up and down bit here. And we have another one here which drives the side to side bit, which also has limit switches on each side. This motor here is one of them, a synchronous stepping motor. That's the specifications on it. This one here is a brother 5 volt made in Japan, New Butte. Now this one has 6 wires coming out of it. This one down here also has 6 wires coming out of it. This one here has got lots. I'm thinking maybe around 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yes, about 10 wires coming out of that, going to this mess here, which I cannot see what it's hooked up to. We have, that's a bit dark, we have down here one belt, of course another belt in here, and there's another belt in here. Just a little gear drive down here off of this motor. And of course, as you can see, that lot there, obviously the controls for it, but if you're asking me to put that back together and get it to work, no, I don't think so. In fact, I'm pretty happy to say that I have absolutely no idea what is going on in that lot. There is its own power supply down here, transformer. The only thing on the front is this U-Butte 240 volt plug, as you would have on a computer, on off switch, and this looks like an old printer cable socket that he was using or going to use to drive the whole thing. So that's what we've got here. This motor down here goes to this little board of trics. I don't know what that is. So we've got our one motor, 6 wires coming out of it. Another motor here, just in case you didn't get it. That's what it is. And this one here, which, like I said, has roughly 10 wires coming out of it. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 wires, sorry. So it's got 8 wires coming out of it. I do also have this little one here, and that is one of them, SPH 39AB-028, Tokyo Electric Company. So I don't know if that one's any good for anything, but it is a smaller one. It also has 6 wires coming out of it. So that's what we have, Jeff. This does seem to have the 3 axis of travel. up and down, side to side, and backwards and forwards. However, the up and down's not very much. There's maybe we've got 80mm travel on that. Side to side, I would say I have maybe 150mm. Back and forward, there's about 350 to 400 of travel backwards and forwards. Now the bed was sitting on the frame here. It's actually come in like this, so it went through the centre of this frame here and out the back. But I removed that just so we could see what's underneath. The lineal bearings are very good, solid cast alloy ones, on all three axes. There's two here, there's another one in there, and we have these ones here. They're all cast alloy bearings, so the bearings are right. The shafts have a little bit of surface rust, but nothing I can't put in the lathe and clean. So basically that's what we have. Maybe we can make something out of it. For our 3D printer we might be able to use some bits, I don't know. So just thought it'd be easier to do a video rather than taking 1,000 pictures to show you. Okay, well, I'll await for your wisdom and see what we can do with it. Cheers.